I have been craving fried chicken, Korean style obviously, because that's all I really eat. And I had to go for the Americanized BBQ. But we have rosé tteokbokki. There you go. Getting it open. Oh, look at that tteokbokki. We have original fried chicken. We have in here soy garlic rings. Sir, you can go away from me. I'm talking to my black cat right now who comes around when he smells food. And once I can get it open with one hand. It's not easy. There we go. Cheeseling rings, which I've not seen this version in Korea. They have the soy garlic. As far as rosé tteokbokki, they don't have rosé, but they have the regular tteokbokki. And then they have their original fried chicken. And the way they sell it in Korea is you can get either all drumsticks, all wings, or a whole chicken, or a mixture. So that's why I like it better in Korean. And their original is actually an olive oil blend, but it's really good. So I'm now going to eat my lunch. Not all of this, obviously, but certain pieces. Annyeong.